Not exactly. बिल्कुल नहीं. Example, did you like it? Not exactly. Suit yourself. जैसी तुम्हारी मर्जी. Example, I'm not coming. Suit yourself. No hard feelings. कोई बुरा मत मानना. Example, no hard feelings after the fight. Think twice. 2 बार सोचो. Example, think twice before investing money. Take it or leave it. मानो या छोड़ो. Example, this is my final price. Take it or leave it. Time will tell. समय बताएगा. Example, don't worry. Time will tell. That's absurd. ये बेतुका है. Example, that excuse is absurd. I doubt it. मुझे शक है. Example, can he do it? I doubt it. Watch out. सावधान रहो. Example, watch out. The road is slippery. Cut it out. बंद करो. Example, cut it out please. Get over it. इसे भूल जाओ. Example, it's over now. Get over it. No kidding. सच में? You won the lottery? No kidding. So be it. तो ऐसा ही सही. Example, if you want to leave, so be it. My bad. मेरी गलती. Oops, my bad. Not a chance. बिल्कुल नहीं. Example, can I use your phone? Not a chance. Good for you. अच्छा है तुम्हारे लिए. Example, you got promoted? Good for you. That's odd. ये अजीब है. Example, that's odd. He's never late. Too bad. बुरा हुआ. Example, you missed the bus? Too bad. Guess what? पता है क्या? Example, guess what? I bought a new bike. That makes sense. ये समझ में आता है. Example, now your point makes sense. I got it. समझ गया. Example, don't explain again. I got it. That's enough. बस काफी है. Example, that's enough for today. It's okay. ठीक है. It's okay. Don't worry. No problem. कोई बात नहीं. Thanks. No problem. I'm done. मेरा हो गया. Example, I'm done with my work.
Stop it now. Stop it now. इसे अभी बंद करो. Example, stop it now. It's annoying. Trust me. Trust me. मुझ पर भरोसा करो. Example, trust me. I'll help you. Don't panic. Don't panic. घबराओ मत. Example, don't panic in difficult situations. This is enough. This is enough. ये काफी है. Example, this is enough for today. Let's see. Let's see. देखते हैं. Example, let's see what happens next. Tell me more. Tell me more. मुझे और बताओ. Example, tell me more about your trip. I'm listening. I'm listening. मैं सुन रहा हूं. Example, go on. I'm listening. Be patient. Be patient. धैर्य रखो. Example, be patient. Your time will come. Nothing happened. Nothing happened. कुछ नहीं हुआ. Example, don't worry. Nothing happened. It's not fair. It's not fair. ये सही नहीं है. Example, it's not fair to blame me. That's amazing. That's amazing. ये शानदार है. Example, your performance was amazing. I knew it. I knew it. मुझे पता था. Example, I knew it you would win. You're right. You're right. तुम सही हो. Example, yes, you're right. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. मुझे पक्का नहीं पता. Example, I'm not sure about this answer. We'll see. We'll see. देखा जाएगा. Example, we'll see what happens tomorrow.
How is this my fault? How is this my fault? इसमें मेरी गलती कैसे है? Example, I did nothing. How is this my fault? What else do you expect? What else do you expect?
और क्या उम्मीद है? Example, you never study. What else do you expect? Calm yourself. Calm yourself. खुद को शांत करो. Example, calm yourself and listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. मेरी बात सुनो. Example, listen to me carefully. Don't argue. Don't argue. बहस मत करो. Example, don't argue with your parents. I can explain. I can explain. मैं समझा सकता हूँ. Example, wait, I can explain everything. Just relax. Just relax. बस आराम करो. Example, just relax. Everything is fine. Leave it here. Leave it here. इसे यहीं छोड़ दो. Example, leave the bag here. Stay focused. Stay focused. ध्यान बनाए रखो. Example, stay focused on your goal. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. चुप रहो. Example, keep quiet during the class.
What did I do? What did I do? मैंने क्या किया? Example, why are you angry? What did I do? Why blame me? Why blame me? मुझे क्यों दोष दे रहे हो? Example, I did nothing wrong. Why blame me? What's wrong now? What's wrong now? अब क्या हुआ? Example, you look worried. What's wrong now? Who said that? Who said that? ये किसने कहा? Example, who said that about me? Why should I care? Why should I care? मुझे क्यों फर्क पड़े? Example, why should I care about them? What's the issue? What's the issue? समस्या क्या है? Example, tell me clearly, what's the issue? Are you serious? Are you serious? क्या तुम सच में कह रहे हो? Example, are you serious about this?
You sure that happened? You sure that happened? पक्का ऐसा हुआ था? Example, you sure that happened last night? Be honest with me. Be honest with me. मेरे साथ सच बोलो. Example, be honest with me. What happened? That sounds strange. That sounds strange. ये अजीब लग रहा है. Example, your story sounds strange. Say that clearly. Say that clearly. साफ साफ बोलो. Example, say that clearly, please. Does it work? Does it work? क्या ये काम करता है? Example, does this machine work? Does it help you? Does it help you? क्या ये तुम्हारी मदद करता है? Example, does this app help you? Does it matter? Does it matter? क्या ये मायने रखता है? Example, does it really matter now? Does it look good? Does it look good? क्या ये अच्छा दिखता है? Example, does this shirt look good? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? क्या ये समझ में आता है? Example, does my idea make sense?
Not now. Not now. अभी नहीं. Example, I'm busy. Not now. Maybe later. Maybe later. शायद बाद में. Example, we'll talk maybe later. Let it be. Let it be. रहने दो. Example, it's okay. Let it be. Forget it. Forget it. छोड़ो इसे. Example, forget it. It's not important. Think again. Think again. फिर से सोचो. Example, think again before answering. Be careful. Be careful. सावधान रहो. Example, be careful while crossing the road. Take your time. Take your time. आराम से करो. Example, take your time. No hurry. Hurry up. Hurry up. जल्दी करो. Example, hurry up. We are late. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. 1 मिनट रुको. Example, wait a minute. I'm coming. That's true. That's true. यह सही है. Example, what you said is true. 36, I agree. I agree. मैं सहमत हूँ. Example, I agree with your opinion. 37, I don't mind. I don't mind. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Example, sit here. I don't mind. 38, it depends. It depends. यह निर्भर करता है. Example, will you come? It depends. 39, sounds good. Sounds good. अच्छा लग रहा है. Example, your plan sounds good. 40, try once. ट्राई वंस, एक बार कोशिश करो. एग्जाम्पल, ट्राई वंस यू मे लाइक इट. 41, कीप गोइंग करते रहो. एग्जाम्पल, कीप गोइंग, डोंट स्टॉप नाउ, डोंट वरी, चिंता मत करो. एग्जाम्पल, डोंट वरी, एवरीथिंग इज ओके. स्टे काम, शांत रहो. एग्जाम्पल, स्टे काम इन टफ सिचुएशंस. दैट्स वियर्ड, ये अजीब है. एग्जाम्पल, दैट्स वियर्ड, नोबडी आंसर्ड. आई डोंट थिंक सो, मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता. एग्जाम्पल, विल ही विन? आई डोंट थिंक सो. आर यू श्योर अबाउट दैट? अंजुम, क्या तुम पक्के हो? एग्जाम्पल, आर यू श्योर अबाउट दैट डिसीजन? समथिंग फील्स ऑफ, कुछ गड़बड़ लग रहा है. एग्जाम्पल, समथिंग फील्स ऑफ टुडे. दैट्स नॉट एडिंग अप, बात मेल नहीं खा रही. एग्जाम्पल, योर स्टोरी इज नॉट एडिंग अप. होल्ड ऑन व्हाट? रुको क्या? एग्जाम्पल, होल्ड ऑन, व्हाट डिड यू से? दैट्स नॉट व्हाट आई हर्ड, मैंने तो कुछ और सुना था. एग्जाम्पल, दैट्स नॉट व्हाट आई हर्ड फ्रॉम हिम,